In our opening statement tonight, we want to talk about something else that's not very pleasant, and that's head injuries. Oftentimes, the worst injuries that happen in an accident, specifically a traffic accident, are head injuries. It can be complicated and difficult to deal with. What are your thoughts, and what would you share with our viewers tonight?
Yeah, and I think it would be difficult and complex to actually get diagnosed. I see it a lot where people that have been involved in a wreck, they hit their head on the steering wheel. They may get a concussion, they may lose consciousness, and then they think they're just okay. Well, if you have persistent headaches, having a hard time concentrating, memory loss, you could have a serious problem going on that you need to see a doctor about. And too many times people don't do that, and it really has long-term effects on them. If you think about the NFL, for example, I mean,
concussions.
Yeah. Now there's just so much more research, so much more literature out there and education for these doctors to treat concussions and concussion-like symptoms. And so while they're difficult to diagnose, if you're having anything like that, if you've hit your head in a wreck, you need to go see a doctor immediately.
And it may not show up the day of the accident or the day after. It could be something that would come up in a period of time after the accident happens.
That's right. It's just like any other injury that you may get. It's kind of like being sore from working out. You actually get the most sore probably 2 days afterwards. Just like your back or your neck, the brain is the same way.
Those other items listed on the screen: dizziness, fatigue, nausea, changes in mood behavior. I'm not familiar with that, but someone can actually have good memory and don't think they're injured, but act differently and have a mood change.
Yeah, and I think that's really geared towards people that know that person and are around that person a lot. They would notice a change in behavior from that person.
All right.
And that's something that person would hopefully speak up to, and then they would go get treatment.
All right.